Welcome back to today's men's deck boots, fishing boots, waterproof rain boots, ankle booties, slip-on neoprene rubber footwear for gardening, fishing, boating, camping, sailing. Furuian deck boots are made of 100% waterproof rubber and neoprene, which with a 1-inch flat heel will keep your feet dry no matter how nasty the weather gets. Rubber upper construction provides durability and all-day comfort. Non-slip outsole tread pattern gives a lockdown grip on wet and slippery surfaces. Whether it's wet on rainy days or a deck full of water, the grip of rain boots can help you stand firm and steady. Even on a slippery deck boat, it can provide strong grip when you are fishing. Men fishing deck boots opening is made of elastic neoprene material and the pull-on tab is easy to put on and take off. Dual-density extreme comfort insole help keep feet cool, soft, dry, and comfortable. Wearing waterproof deck boots allow you to stand comfortably all day long. Multi-layers of materials enhance the performance of deck boots, providing durability and comfort. Slip-on rain boots suitable for fishing, boat, crew, farms, wetland mountaineering, wet groundwork, car washing, gardening, refrigerated storage work, etc. Thank you.